this video, we will show you how to play free game on Steam. Okay, to play free game or get the free game on Steam, you can follow this step. First, open your Steam. Okay, if you have Steam account here, if you have on the dashboard like this, just go to your store. Okay, after go to your store here, select categories, and you can select free to play. We'll maximize this window. After that, you can see below there is many game that free to play. Okay, in here let's choose the light game. For example, I know the light one is Yugi. Just type Yugi in here. Okay, and you can see the Yugi Master Duel here. Just click this. This is free. Okay, and then you can click Add Library. The process is the same with the free game. If you choose the categories and free to play, the process is same, but we need to install just the Yugi. Okay, for example, this. Okay, you can just add to library. The process is same when you search in here or just play the free game in here. Okay, that is for the node. After that, you can select library. Then we already have this game. Okay, let's choose one. This is 300 megabytes. I will back. And for the goose, 900 megabytes. Let's choose the Yugi. Just click install. Okay, and you can create desktop shortcut or menu shortcut. Just click install here. Wait until the downloading process is complete. After the download is complete, you can just directly click play button here. But you can also find on the menu because you already have the menu shortcut. Okay, you can see on the menu or on your desktop. Okay, just click here to play and you can click open Steam. Now you have free game on your computers here. Okay, for example, in here, just select language English and click OK. And you can see, you can click game start. If you have no in progress, okay, click just yes, okay, and click accept here, and click accept. I've never read or what it's okay. Next, never play before. Next, okay, done. And that's the tutorial. You can play free games on Steams, how you can find them, how you can install, and how you can play. And hope this video helpful for you.